Nri's descendants created the Nri Kingdom. Some elders call it Ori in certain dialects. This kingdom, centered in what is now Anambra State, was different from any other kingdom. The king, called Eze Nri, meaning King of Nri, had no soldiers, no army, no weapons. So how did he rule? Ofonogo, spiritual authority and truth. The Eze Nri was a priest king. He held the offer that gave him power to stop wars, cleanse abomination called Alo against Earth's goddess Allah. He could settle disputes across all of Igbo land, which the Igbo call Ali Igbo, land of the Igbo. People respected him because they believed he was the representative of Chukwukike on earth. But not everyone claims to come from Nri.